Hey, welcome back. Glad you are all joining us and tuning in to another day of recaps. And hey, today's going to be a nice short one because guess what? 0 trades today for me. This has been a crazy month in regards to the slowness, the pace at which, I've been trading personally. And the way I feel the small cap market has been trading recently, there's just, to me, there hasn't been very many opportunities or just not much to trade. So I want to show you real quick. I'll go into my calendar here. And, I've had in the past, maybe a month where I didn't trade like on one day out of the month. However, this month here in April, I've had 3 solid days of no trade, which it's really rare for me. Even if I trade, every day I'm in the market, I'm tempted to trade at least something, 1 or 2 trades, but yeah, 0 trades for 3 days within this month already. And some of those days that I did trade, like this week, I only got in a few trades on those days. On the days I actually traded, it was only a few trades. So really slow. I don't know what to say about this. It's just the market goes through periods of this. I've seen this in the past where, things slow down. The opportunities aren't there. It seems like the small cap traders aren't out as much. And, we all know that, for a stock to move, there's got to be volume. There's got to be people buying and selling, right? And when people aren't, hopping into stocks and trading, there's just not as much movement. So today, I actually had to run an errand early this morning, and anyways, I was back in time for to trade once the market opened, but I just didn't see anything. And the only one that I was really looking at that was at the top of my list was MTSL. It's had a great move after hours yesterday. It really went up. And this morning, I guess it opened so much lower that even though while it was moving up in pre-market, kind of eventually traded sideways, and then market open and the thing just flushed. So, yeah, sitting on hands there, and there was just not much correction in there for any other chance to really trade it to the upside. Maybe right in here, but it wasn't even that much movement. It was more of a, big false breakout and a huge dump to the south side. So, yeah, that's really all I traded. So, or didn't trade. Sorry, no trades. But anyways, I want to hear from you guys and find out if you were the brave soul or you felt like there were opportunities to trade today. I want to ask you, what did you trade? And this is just in regards to small cap stuff. I don't really focus on large cap, so yeah, you can still say if you traded whatever you traded. Let me know what you traded, and if you're green, by how much, and if you had a red day, if you maybe just forced it. I know in the past for me, sometimes I would get frustrated that things aren't moving, that the market's not moving, and I just out of boredom and temptation and just the urge to want to make some money, even if it was $10, just to jump into stupid stock and stupid opportunity, something that's not evaluated very well as far as a risk opportunity or as far as risk goes. So yeah. Anyways, love to hear from you guys. Once again, a big fat 0 day for me. And to be honest, I'm happier that it's zero than if it was red. You know, just because I know sometimes if I can get too aggressive, this typically happens though if the market is maybe hot for a while and then it suddenly slows down real fast, and I continue that trading that I had previously, that aggressiveness, which usually helps you make money if you're in the right stocks, the right market, will come back to bite you once that market slows down and you keep trading the same way. I've had that happen way too often in the past, but I think I've been good about being patient and sitting on my hands. And hey, a $0 day is much better than that negative day. So I guess I'll take it as boring as it is. It's just the way it goes. So yeah, quick recap here, but I had to do it for you guys. Even trading nothing, I still wanted to give you guys the update and maybe put that out there that sometimes it's just not worth it to trade. It's better to spend your time elsewhere. So anyways, I hope we get a nice big turnaround next week. I know I was saying that this week, but never got it. So on the other hand, cryptocurrency, at least Dogecoin, let me know if you got some Dogecoin. I'm not, super big into crypto, but I have been investing over time, little bits here and there. And I've bought some Doge, I don't even know how to say it, Dogecoin in the past, and it's gone through this incredible move higher. So who knows where that'll go. What I'm thinking with that is, like cryptocurrency has done in the past, it runs high and then at some point it does pull back, and the question is just how much will it pull back and for how long? That's always the biggest question. But anyways, with the cryptocurrency stuff, I'm just investing in that long term, so I don't plan to really trade any crypto. But yeah, I just saw that today. Dogecoin, I guess it was running yesterday as well. But looked at my account, it was pretty impressive. Huge gain. Let me just see what I got. I've got a couple different crypto platforms, but I have some Dogecoin and Robinhood actually. Let's see. Yeah, just today, percent-wise, the return on today's gains for me is 45%, really impressive. And total return is 470%. So you look at that and like, Jesus, I should have invested a lot more. But, I don't know. Some of the crypto, since I'm not an expert at it, I don't know where to kind of hedge the bets. And like I said, I want to do long-term investments. So I'm just kind of buying up little bits and pieces of Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum, some of the other ones. But yeah, anyways, was impressive today for Dogecoin. So let me know if you have some Dogecoin. Love to hear from you guys. And I don't think what's interesting, maybe one of you traders out there could clarify this for me, but I've got Coinbase as well, the other crypto platform. And what's interesting is I don't see Dogecoin on Coinbase. So I don't know what's up with that. If it's I don't think it's my account. Maybe just they don't support it. But or I've skipped it, but I don't see it on there. So let me know if you have Coinbase and if you've got Dogecoin or not. So anyways, that's it for now. You guys have a excellent weekend. It's Friday here, April 16th, and I'm excited for next week. This is a good chance to maybe do some fun things this weekend, get some restoration, and come fresh to the market next week. like I said, hopefully we get a nice big turnaround at some point. I have a feeling, could be wrong, but once we get a hot day back in the small cap world, that things are just going to explode. From my experience, I've kind of seen that pass. So if we go, the longer we go through kind of a slow period, the longer that's endured. It seems like when the day that that one particular stock explodes and really just blows up, goes past 200, 300%, things take off and small cap stocks go crazy. Certain ones do. And it's always good to be there for that. You don't want to miss out on that. You've got to trade well, and you've got to switch gears very quickly. Going from this whole no trading or slowing down my trading quite a bit to suddenly switching gears and then jumping right back in and you got to get like laser focused, and you got to really nail those opportunities. It's a little difficult to switch gears so quickly, but I think it's going to happen just because I've kind of seen that in the past. But we'll see. Hey, we will see. So anyways, have a good weekend, and we'll catch you Monday.